This week in math, we're going to pretend that we're shopping at a toy store. And this toy store is having a big sale. Let's read the poster. Toy store, sale, 10 total toys. I can get 10 toys? Wow, that's a lot of toys. You choose how many of each. Okay. So I get to choose how many of each. Looks like there are 2 to choose from. There are some toy French fries and a toy burger. Wow, so I can get 10 all together, and I get to decide how many burgers I have and how many fries I get. This is so exciting. How will I decide? I'm going to draw a picture. To help me decide how many of each I want so that I make sure I don't get more than 10, but that I get 10. I wouldn't want to get less than 10. Okay. But I don't want to draw fries. I don't want to draw a bunch of French fries. I don't want to draw a bunch of hamburgers. That sounds hard. I don't want to do anything hard. How can I make this easy? Let's see. Ooh, I know. I'm going to draw a red triangle, and I will know that the red triangle means French fries because the French fries are in like a rectangle. I'm going to draw a red rectangle. The fries are in a red rectangle, so I'll remember that's what that is. Let's see, for the burger. See, I want something different than the red rectangle so that I can tell them apart. I think I'm going to do a circle because this burger is shaped like a circle. And I will make it green like the lettuce. Okay, so now I can draw a picture. I'm going to use a red rectangle for the French fries and a green circle for the burger. Oh, I'm so excited to decide how many toys I'm going to buy.
Hello, mathematicians. Before we get started with our toy store problem and deciding how many of each toy we want, I wanted to show you how to make a 10 frame. If you have an empty egg carton, a pair of scissors, and a grown-up that's around and able to help you right now, this would be something that you could do right now. If not, just watch. I'm going to do it really quickly. The first thing you want to do is cut this top part off. Again, make sure you have an adult who says it's okay for you to use scissors. We're going to cut this little flap guy off. And now I have 12 spots and I only want 10 because I'm making a 10 frame. So I'm going to cut off 2 of these egg spots. This part's kind of tricky because you got to kind of like cut in here like this. So again, please don't do this without a grown-up helping you. I don't want to hear that you guys cut off your fingers, then it was my fault. Okay, so now I have an egg crate that I've made into a 10 frame. And a 10 frame has 10 spots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we need to make some little pieces to use inside the 10 frame. And I just got myself a piece of paper, just a regular old piece of white paper. And I am going to cut, I'll show you, I will draw a line. I'm just going to cut like a nice thin strip like this, and then another thin strip. Okay. So I got my scissors, and the scissors are pointing up, and I'm cutting a nice strip like that, and I'm gonna cut another strip. Then I turn my strip this way, and I just cut some squares or rectangles. It doesn't really matter. You want them kind of the size of this egg crate so that they like fit in there. But even mine are a little too big. That's okay. So you just cut some pieces of paper. I threw that one on the floor. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so if you're just watching and you're not doing this with me right now, that is okay. We're going to make a poster in just a minute. So we decided that my French fries were going to be a red rectangle. And we decided that the burger was going to be a green circle. So now I've got my 10 frame. And remember, we can buy 10 all together. So we're going to fill up this box with our choices. So I know I want at least one French fry and at least one burger. Let's see. I think I want some more fries. So I'm going to make another rectangle. So I think I want more fries than I want burgers. I have some little nieces and nephews that would really like the fries. So I think I'm going to get more of those because remember, they're toys. And I want to keep all of my fries together. So I'm going to make another fry. Okay. I think that's enough fries. So now I'm going to make some more hamburgers. Let's see. Hamburger. Shaking my camera. Hamburger. And a hamburger. So this is what I think I would buy. So let's just check our math. I've got the rest of this piece of paper that I cut off. And let's see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 French fries. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 burgers. And all together, I have 10. And I know that because I know there are 10 spots in this 10 frame. So I don't have to count it because it's full. So I know there are 10. So if I'm going to write a sentence, a math, like an addition. Sorry, it's early. I can't talk. If I'm going to write an addition equation for this problem, I know it's going to equal 10. Okay. Then I have a group of 6. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. So if you don't have an adult around today and you don't make like a little 10 frame like this with an egg carton, here's another way you can do it. Draw a big rectangle. Then you draw a line down the middle long ways. Now we're going to draw 4 lines. Boop, 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 boop. And it doesn't matter if they're exactly equal. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count your boxes just to make sure that we didn't make a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 squares, and I'm just going to draw a quick picture that matches my egg carton, just to show you how you can do this if you do not have an egg carton today. So I had 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, does my picture match? Yep, it does. All right. Here's your job. Your job is to decide how many burgers you want and how many fries you want. And you can decide that you want the same number as I wanted, or you can think about it and you can decide that you want more fries, more burgers. Once you've figured out how many of each you want, either take a picture of your egg carton that you made or draw me a picture of your 10 frame showing me how many of each toy you want. Extra challenge, you can do more than one order. So if you want to order one set of 10 where you have more fries, and then you want to do another order, you want to get more burgers, that would be awesome. You can order as many times as you want. So in Seesaw, what I want to see is a picture of your 10 frame with what you are ordering, and extra points if you can write an equation to match your picture. All right, friends, I'm excited to see what you decide to buy from the toy store.